AI, this was a good purpose, and the message was okay and everything is fine. But then AI can be very tricky. The ethical use of AI has become a major issue, and the bias, because AI is human trained, right? Whatever artificial intelligence is actually human intelligence transferred into artificial to machine. And if there is bias, if there is prejudice, that can creep in, and then AI become very dangerous. And any AI-driven decision making is also a difficult task to monitor in terms of transparency and accountability. So the ethical use of AI is becoming a major issue, and this conference will address many of those issues. And economics is another area which is part of the deal, and we know in Bangladesh we are facing the major difficulty we are facing is the inflation. Post-COVID, post-Ukraine war, inflation went up everywhere in the world, and majority of those has gone down. But Bangladesh, even with a very strict contractionary monetary policy, the inflation is not going down to our expectation. It is going down very slowly, and that is creating a problem. There are multiple reasons for that. Just monetary policy is not going to control the inflation in Bangladesh. There is a supply chain issues, demand supply imbalance. Fiscal measures are not really that much of a restrictive, not yet, but controlling this inflation is going to be a challenge. So the economic challenges are also going to be in the conference topics. And then, of course, technology. We are focused on technology-driven contemporary issues, and we want actually problem-solving solutions. So we encourage our students now to outcome-based, practical, solution-based research instead of focusing on basic research, which is more theoretical. So business is very much now, I'll give you an example of the current latest economic Nobel Prize was this, what do you call that, creative destruction. Creative destruction is the way to go. You find new ways to deliver, and progress happens with the new technology.